Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can send your camera roll video as a snap on Snapchat. So let's say you have a video on your gallery and you want to send it to other as a normal Snapchat. Alright, so let me show you how you guys can do that. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. Now after you open your Snapchat, at the bottom right corner you can see the little search icon. You want to click on it. Now once you click on the search icon, it's going to take you to the filter searching place. And at the top where it says search, click on search and search for gallery upload, like GALLERY UPLOAD upload. Once you search for gallery upload, the first one where it says upload gallery, click on it. Once you do that, you should be able to choose everything from your gallery, from photo to video. Now since we want to upload video, I will choose this 8-second video from my gallery. You guys can see it. I will click on this. Now once I click on this video is shown. But now what I need to do is, at the bottom you can see this little gallery icon. I need to hold on this. So once I start holding on this little yellow bar will start to become like, this circle will start to form. Now I need to wait until this circle is full. Now the moment the circle is full, I need to release it. And just like this, the gallery video which I had is now transformed into a snap video like this. Now I can click on send to at the bottom right and then choose anyone I want to send it to and click on the arrow at the bottom right again. Then it's going to be sent as a snap. So this is the filter you have to use in order to send a camera roll video as a snap. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide on how to send your camera roll video as a snap on Snapchat.